Folded promises so small, tuck them in the corner of the hall. You said forever like a song, but paper doesn't last that long. I kept the words inside a drawer, the way I kept you evermore. And then the sky began to weep through the window, through my sleep, and I watched the ink begin to bleed. Oh, what we don't need. And now my paper heart's in the rain, washing all your letters away. Every word you ever said, bleeding ink into the bed. Oh, my paper heart's in the rain, and I can't read your name again. It's a watercolor goodbye, soft and slow and quiet. I kept the photograph of June, that hallway light, that empty room, the way you laughed before the storm, before our paper hearts got torn. The corners curled, the colors thinned, like the way you said the wind. And the rain just keeps on falling slow through the things I used to know, through the small and tender key of a love that fell asleep. And now my paper heart's in the rain, washing all your letters away. Every word you ever said, bleeding ink into the bed. Oh, my paper heart's in the rain, and I can't read your name again. It's a watercolor goodbye, soft and slow and quiet. Maybe we were always thin, maybe love was paper skin. Maybe I should let it go, watch the water make it flow down the gutter, down the drain. All that's left of us, the stain of a story written light on a slowly fading night. And now my paper heart's in the rain, and I'm finally learning your name was just a word I held too tight, soft and ruined in the night. Oh, my paper heart's in the rain, and I won't try to write it again. Let the water take it all. Let the paper fall. In the rain. Paper, oh, my paper heart. Oh, my paper